Hello guys, welcome back to
our channel.
So today is happy day for us. As you can see, we all look nice here because today, alhamdulillah, we have enough money to buy new car. So as you all know, we've been using this car for quite some time now, and
kita orang dah abuse kereta ni sebab kita orang kan pasal bawa barang, so kita orang guna kereta ni. Pasal itu dari dulu kan, itu yang kita orang cakap nak beli
Ford,
nak beli truck 4x4 lah, yang boleh bawa barang, tak payah duk guna kereta ni.
So saya dah tanya bini saya, dia cakap dia pun suka Ford saja. So itulah, kita beli Ford lah, apa-apa dia suka kita beli. So ini duit untuk down payment. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Thank you my wife. Let's
Jom.
But the rest will be the same.
Oh, it come all with LED. This is what we want.
Yeah, the one can be modified.
So which one you want? Yeah. It's big?
Yeah.
Too big, right?
I have to go so inside.
Yeah. That's too big. It's nice. I like the touch screen. This one. Wow. Okay, go check the other one. Mala. Okay, and then this is the one we choose, right? Go. Yeah. This one. Go check this one. You can check this one. Yeah. So then we take this one. Huh?
Let's take this one.
You want this one? Are you sure? Okay, so don't buy. Let's go pay.
No.
Let's go sit down. Yeah. This white one. Only one out of two. White one.
Okay, so this is the insurance. Okay, so this is the price. Okay, so on the road here, loan is here. So I think you signed the loan already,
Yes,
right?
already.
Okay, so this is the balance. So this just for the car payment only. Okay, then the rest for modified one. Let you design. You choose the design first. Okay. Start payment.
Okay.
Yeah.
The balance payment is 28,100 to have the laptop. To have
No,
the
white truck.
Then you can modify, make it look like laptop. So, voila. Dah siap. Payment dah buat. Sekarang pun kita kena bukan untuk stop dah datang di Malaysia.
Stop dah sampai dekat Port Kelang. Tapi pada tunggu datang ke review.
Yeah. So mungkin dalam few days we get the car.
Yeah.
Right? Inshallah. Then we can have our car. Harap, are you happy?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. So ini yang kita punya alamat kita. Still new.
Tak lama lah, baru lah. 2021 kau
But
get
you said just now the value of this car is very good now.
Yeah.
Maybe it's too expensive now or what, right?
No, the value has maintained. Dia akan drop, masa dia akan maintain. So sekarang dah maintain.
Okay. So stay tuned guys. It's okay.
Where is it go?
Mana ni? Kita dah sampai. Kita baru bini saya.
Oh, dia kejap lagi orang langgar. Yeay, wow.
That's what I
Wow.
like. The LED. So real, right? Wow. Oh, this one.
Wow.
Oh, there's light here.
Yeah.
Very nice, bro. Wow.
Mau kedai.
Okay, work. Close. Okay. Just open. Same like the kami. Very nice, right?
So it's automatic?
Yeah, it's automatic also. So once you open, it goes on. Very good, right?
Yeah.
But I think if you have this and then you modify a bit, you don't need to have laptop.
That's the reason why
almost the same.
I asked.
Because the engine is the same. Wait, this one okay, right?
It's okay. Perfect.
I like the color. Okay.
So to start first, this is your
Do you want? Wait, you want to? This is
Enough.
wife. If
You first.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yeah. What? Do you want me to sit here or what? Wow.
Then
Okay, lepas tu? Wow.
look at the screen. So big, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Phone, media, like iPad. Huh? Wow, very nice.
it's not petrol. No. Not 95, not petrol. It's diesel. Because pickup truck is always diesel. Unless the Raptor new one, they only have petrol version. You don't put 95 off. If you put 95, then whole car you have to send for service center.
So this one is
Diesel.
Diesel.
Definitely diesel because pickup truck is diesel for so
do you understand?
Yeah.
So
Which
very
number is that?
so don't go for red, don't go for yellow, don't go for green. Okay.
Okay.
So this is diesel only.
Diesel.
Okay.
Okay.
So I just worry that because you have another Hijabi, so you will mix,
Yeah.
sometimes the one you put 95, but this one always remember it's black color one.
Okay.
Diesel actually is not really expensive. 2.15 per liter. Yeah. So this will have the subsidized. Okay. So this one is very important because I have a lot of customers. They try to put 95 and end up the car have to send back to subsidize.
This one again. So 2H is okay for KL. Understand? If you are in jungle like Kereta somewhere when the
Okay. Kedai jungle.
then 2H.
2H.
4H.
4H. What about 4L?
How about 4L? That's the warranty card for the Tinted. How about this?
Service book.
That's service book, right? Look at the screen, how big it is. Do you like the new car, my love? That will be the one to drive this one now. Yes, eh? Look at behind. Wow. So comfortable, right? So, as you can see, two happy face here. We are going to get our new car to go and do some upgrade modification. Okay, so this is what our agent told us before. Why will you pay 250,000 for Raptor when the engine is the same? It's almost the same. Only
Engine is not the same.
engine is the same. Turbo 10 speed. It's all the same. And then when you can buy this one and modify a bit and then make it look like Raptor, right?
But for the road in Malaysia, jalan kat Malaysia ni tak perlu kau Raptor tu.
So
Not necessary.
no, it's not really necessary now
Kau suka pakai RM1 tak? Nanti kan
because it's too big, right? Tengok dia.
Tengok Fila buat. Okay, tengok Fila. Okay, tengok sekejap. Tengok Fila buat sebelah ni. So small.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you?
Okay.
Tengok husband kat sebelah tu.
Too big, right?
Sesuai lah untuk husband. Untuk
So
Fila.
look at our old car.
Jangan nak insert kereta tu
different. Maybe we'll park here for solo. Let me take our thing for you.
Jangan nak hina kereta ni Kereta ni favourite saya. Apa?
So now this is the best thing come. This is the original tire.
Yeah.
Ini yang tire yang asli, tapi small speed, right? So we want to exchange to this one, Raptor tire. And
tire
yeah, the
Raptor.
cost of this is about 6,800 for tire. Then we take the old back. Can sell or keep it, right?
Yeah.
But this one will make it more nice, more
Yeah.
balanced. Okay?
Betul?
Look better now, right? That is the invoice.
Ini invoice.
Alright.
Bayar 6,800.
So you see, but look already. It's almost look like Raptor already, right?
Yeah. Oh, I like.
Ah, very nice. Nice. You see? Very nice. And it lifts up the car more, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. I love this one. So this is our old car. Old tire. This is the old tire. Maybe kita jual ini lah. Or kita simpan untuk spare part saja.
Kita nak tukar grill depan and tambah cover untuk lampu. Ni after, ni before. Nampak tak beza?
So now we want to change the grill. Kita nak tukar ini sekarang. So after we change this one, it can look like Raptor, right? This grill. Everything look new. Everything is new. Wow, wow. The engine pun and smell nice. Smell very nice, baby, right? So this is the modification. It's almost done now. You just change the grill to make it like this Ford Raptor, like Ford Raptor. Very nice. And they add in this 5 lamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So voila, this is our Ford Ranger white car.
truck.
But we already upgrade and make it look like Raptor already. So, kalau nampak sekarang macam Raptor kan?
Front grill, tukar rim, lepas tu add on roller, automatic roller.
Itu yang ulah kita pasang juga. Macam otomatik buat. So baby, which car are we taking today?
Honda.
Okay, so let's take Honda because this one is big only for walk. Kalau ada kerja.
Actually masa awalnya kita orang nak ambil warna kuning, tapi kena tunggu tak ada stok. Lepas tu bagi warna ni, tapi turns out kita orang suka lagi warna ni daripada warna kuning tu.
Kalau tengok sekarang macam berisi kan, tapi kotor.
Hah?
It's dirty.
Dia kotor.
Oh, kotor.
What is it? Berisi.
Clean. Bersih. Bersih. Kalau tengok sekarang macam bersih.
Macam bersih, tapi sebenarnya sangat kotor. Sebab
warna ni lagi yang
tapi
paling
kalau kotor dia tak nampak kotor lah.
So I like this color. How about you?
Yeah, I like this color as well.
Anyway, we are taking the Honda today, okay?
So
Alright, itu saja on this video. Thank you so much for commenting and hope to see you again
in our next video. Thank you.
Bye bye.